Peace be unto you and your family. 11th Chemistry, Unit 2, Quantum Mechanical Model of Atom. Important questions and answer. Question number 41 to 45. Question number 41. An atom of an element contains 35 electrons and 45 neutrons. Deduce the number of proton, the electronic configuration for the element, all the four quantum numbers for the last electron. We know in an atom the number of protons are always equal to number of electrons. The element containing 35 electrons, therefore number of proton must be 35. Atomic number 35, we can write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10 up to this 30 over. Then 4p remaining we have 5 electron that enter into the 4p5 orbital. The last orbital is 4p orbital, in which there are three orientations for p orbital. One is 4px, 4py and 4pz. And when we fill the electronic configuration, 5 electron in p orbital according to Hund's rule, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The last electron present in 4py orbital. 4py orbital means principal quantum number n value equal to 4. This 4 is the n value. L for p orbital L equal to 1. L equal to 1 means m has 3 value minus 1, 0, plus 1. So either plus 1 or minus 1. S orbital, see the spin of the last electron, that is anti-clockwise minus 1 by 2. Question number 42. So that the circumference of the Bohr orbit for the hydrogen atom is an integral multiple of the de Broglie wavelength associated with the electron revolving around the nucleus. In order for the electron wave to exist in phase, the circumference of the orbit should be an integral multiple of the wavelength of the electron wave. Otherwise, the electron wave is out of phase. Circumference of the orbit equal to n lambda. So, what is the formula used to calculate circumference? 2 pi r equal to n lambda. 2 pi r equal to, what is lambda? De Broglie wavelength lambda equal to h by mb. So, instead of lambda, now I substitute this value h by mb, rearranging. Bring the mb to the left hand side and 2 pi to the right hand side. mbr equal to n into h by 2 pi. So, angular momentum formula we know n into h by 2 pi. This above equation was already predicted by Bohr. Hence, de Broglie and Bohr concept are in agreement with each other. That is question number 42. Come to question number 43. Calculate the energy required for the process. Helium plus gaseous state lost 1 electron becomes helium 2 plus in gaseous state. The ionization energy for hydrogen atom in its ground state is minus 13.6 electron volt atom power minus 1. So, here given is calculate the energy required to remove 1 electron from helium atom. We know the formula to calculate the energy of the electron present in nth level. En equal to minus 13.6 divided by n squared principal quantum number into z squared atomic number. Helium atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. What is this process? This process is nothing but ionization energy. The amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from a gaseous monoatomic ion is called second ionization energy. Now the electron present in the first orbit, energy E1 equal to minus 13.6 divided by first orbit E1 squared into Z atomic number of helium into 2 square. When we solve, we will get the answer 13.4 into 4 equal to minus 54.4. Ionization energy, the electron is removed from the first orbit to the infinite distance. Therefore, E infinity equal to minus 13.6 divided by infinity square into atomic number 2 square equal to anything by infinity equal to 0. Required energy for the given process, that is equal to E infinity minus E1 equal to E infinity value we know 0 minus into minus of 54.4 equal to 54.4 electron volt is the answer. This is question number 43. Come to question number 44. An ion with mass number 37 possesses unit negative charge. If the ion contains 11.1% more neutrons than electron, find the symbol of the ion. For example, if we take X is a ion, it is also a negative ion, uni-negative ion. If the atomic number of X is, for example, 10 means it containing 10 proton, but how many electron? 11 electron. Gain of 1 electron becomes negative ion. Therefore, number of electron in uni-negative ion is X means we get to subtract 1 from X to get number of electron in an atom. So, compare with an atom, uni-negative ion containing more electron, 1 more electron. Therefore, number of electron is X minus 1. An atom containing 10 proton and 10 electron, ion containing 10 proton and 11 electron. We know in an atom, number of electron and number of proton in an atom is always equal to number of proton in uni-negative ion. Therefore, number of electron is always equal to number of proton in an atom. In uni-negative ion also, number of proton there is no change, only change is in electron. And take number of neutron in atom and uni-negative ion is Y. So, in our problem, what is given? If the ion contain 11.1% more neutron than electron, Y number of neutron equal to X is the electron present in the uni-negative ion, which contain 11.1% more neutron. Y equal to number of neutron. When we solve this, that is equal to, this is X. X plus 11.1% means 11.1 divided by 100 into X. That is equal to X plus 11.1 by 100 means 0.111 X. When you take X as common, here you have 1 plus, here 0.111. That is equal to 1.111 X is the number of neutron. So, Y equal to 1.111 X. Remember this. Mass number of the ion is given as 37. Mass number of the ion given is 37. What is mass number? Number of proton plus number of neutron equal to 37. Number of proton from the table X minus 1 plus number of neutron, just now we have calculated 1.111 X equal to 37. We can easily solve this one. x minus 1 plus 1.111 x equal to 37. Bring the minus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. Therefore, left hand side x plus 1.111 x equal to 37 plus 1 equal to 38. Take s as common. If you take x as common, you have 1 plus 1.111, 1 plus 1.111, that is equal to 38, or x into 2.111 x equal to 38. X equal to 38 by 2.111, that is approximately equal to 18.009. When you round it off this value, that is equal to 18. 18 is a whole number. Now we can write the atomic number, mass number and symbol. Atomic number, we know the formula x minus 1. X equal to 18, 18 minus 1 equal to 17 is the atomic number, chlorine. And mass number is given in our problem, that is 37. Now the symbol of ion is, chlorine, atomic number 17, mass number 37, it is a negative ion. From this, we can write number of proton equal to 17. Number of electron also here equal to 18. 17 plus 1 equal to 18. Number of neutron, mass number minus atomic number, that is equal to 20. In our problem, the number of electron is taken as x. Therefore, 17, 18 means x means 17 means x minus 1. That is question number 44. Now come to question number 45. The lithium 2 plus ion is a hydrogen-like ion. That means it containing only one electron. That can be described by the Bohr model. Calculate the Bohr radius of the third orbit and calculate the energy of the electron in the fourth orbit. The radius of an electron according to Bohr formula is 0.529 n square divided by z Armstrong. Energy of the electron is equal to minus 13.6 z square divided by n squared, electron volt atom power minus 1. Bohr radius for the third orbit, we got to find out first. Lithium atomic number 3, lithium 2 plus ion containing only one electron. So R3 radius for the third orbit equal to 0.529 into n squared means 3 square divided by atomic number is also 3. That is equal to 0.529 into 3 squared means 3 into 3 divided by 3. Which one get cancelled? 1 3 and 1 3 get cancelled. When you multiply these two, that is equal to 3 into 9 are 27, remaining 2, 3 into 2 are 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 3 into 5 are 15, 1, 2, 3, 1.587 Armstrong is the Bohr radius for the third orbit. Now we got to find out the energy of the electron in the fourth orbit. Energy of the electron in the fourth orbit is E4, that is equal to, substitute the value in the formula, minus 13.6 into Z squared means atomic number 3 square divided by n square 4 square, that is equal to minus 13.6 into 3 into 3 divided by 4 into 4. When we cancel with 4, 1 4 is 4, here 3 4s are 12, remaining 1 16, 4 4s are 16. Again 1 4 is 4, minus 8 fours are 32, remaining to 20, 0.5. 0.85 into 9 simply gives the answer, that is equal to minus 0.85, 3 into 3 are 9, equal to 5 into 9 into 5 are 45, remaining 4, 9 into 8 are 72, 72 plus 4 equal to 76, 2 digit minus value. So this is energy of the electron in the fourth orbit in electron volt atom power minus 1. So up to question number 45 we completed in this video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe.